Okay, let's choose a different type of example for this one. Looks the same. You got three equations with three variables. Also, a little tip for you: make sure x, y, z, and then equal sign. X, y, z, equal sign. That's going to help you later. If it's all messed up, like if this was all in different order, please put it x's, y's, z's equal and then the constant. Okay, it's going to save you a lot of heartache. Okay. But here's what we're going to do. Number one, make sure you remember these steps. Number one, we're going to take any two, I'm not going to write this down, take any two equations, this one and this one, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, and eliminate any variable. Okay, any two equations. Okay, you can write that. Number two, take any other two equations and eliminate the same variable. Okay, those are your steps so far. And then number three, take the new, remember the new equations, and solve like normal. Okay, solve like normal. Watch. But in this case, it's going to be different. I'm just going to take the first two. X, Y, Z, 4x, 4y, 4z. So I'm going to multiply. Let's eliminate. It doesn't matter what you choose, right? X's, Y's, or Z's. I'm still going to multiply this whole top equation by 4 to get, let's say I'm going to go for x's, so I'm going to multiply this by 4. So let's rewrite it. 4x plus 4y plus 4z equals 4 times 3 is 12. Then we got, let's just rewrite the second one. 4x plus 4y plus 4z equals 7. Alright, we got these two equations right now. We're going to eliminate, we'll say x, but it doesn't matter, does it? Minus 4x minus 4x, oh, nothing. 4y minus 4y, nothing. 4z minus 4z, nothing. This whole side is nothing. You have to write 0. Don't just leave it blank. This whole side is 0 equals 12 minus 7 equals 5. Do you remember what we had in the last section when we get 0 equals 5 or 7 equals 9? Something crazy like that. This is false, right? It's a false statement. But what does that tell you? That's the important part. It tells you that no matter what you put in for x, y, and z, it's never going to equal. It's never, these two equations are never going to have anything in common. Okay? So this right here means there is no solution. But that's only taking the first two equations, right? These two equations have no solution. So could there be a solution for all three? If you think about it, no. If these two have nothing in common, how are all three of them going to have something in common? They won't. So once you get this, you just stop here and say, okay, the answer to this whole system, there's no solution to the whole system. Okay, so that's kind of easy when that actually comes. Okay, so that's example 2 when you get a no solution thing.